Ambassador-designate, the State of Israel. Until his appointment as ambassador, he has been Israel's special envoy for climate change and sustainability in charge of Israel climate foreign policy. He is a career diplomat with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs since 1994. He has occupied many posts, some of which include ambassador to Senegal, to the Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Sierra Leone, and Cape Verde Republic. He has also been director of the Department of Holocaust Remembrance and Combating Anti-Semitism. He holds an MA degree in Islamic Studies and BA in Middle Eastern and Islamic Studies from the Hebrew University. He is married and a father of 4 children. He speaks 7 languages and is currently studying Swahili. He loves nature, sports, and reading.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have the honor to present to you Mr. Gideon Beha, Ambassador Designate of the State of Israel.
Your Excellency, Jambo, it is a great honor for me to stand before you today and to convey, on behalf of my head of states, His Excellency Yitzhak Herzog, and on behalf of the people of the State of Israel, our warmest greetings and heartfelt compliments to you personally, and for you to the people of the Republic of Kenya. It is my privilege to present to Your Excellency the letter of recall of my esteemed predecessor, as well as the letter of credence by which His Excellency President Herzog has appointed me as Ambassador of the State of Israel to the Republic of Kenya. I assume this responsibility with humility and deep sense of purpose. It is my earnest hope to build upon the strong historic and friendly relations that so warmly exist between our 2 countries, and to strengthen them furthermore. Kenya and Israel enjoy a long-standing and resilient friendship, grounded in mutual respect and shared values, and demonstrated time and again through fruitful cooperation and solidarity. Our bilateral ties span a wide range of sectors, including water, energy, trade, agriculture, health, security, ICT, and culture. I am fully committed to enhancing collaboration in these areas and more through knowledge exchange, joint initiatives, and capacity-building efforts, especially under the framework of Mashav, Israel's Agency for International Development Cooperation. There is a saying in Swahili, panaponia pananjia. When there is a will, there is a way. I am particularly eager to work closely with your esteemed government in advancing cooperation on pressing global challenges, especially environmental protection and climate change adaptation and mitigation. These are areas of growing urgency that called for bold joint action, and we place great importance on strengthening our shared response. Your Excellency, I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude for the friendship, support, and prayers extended by you and the people of Kenya to the State of Israel. I look forward with enthusiasm to working together to further our common goals and deepen bonds between our peoples. Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Mungu akubariki. Mungu abariki Kenya na Mungu abariki Israel. Asante sana.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest extent possible the mutual aspirations of the people of our two nations. Welcome, Ambassador, to Kenya. Congratulations on your appointment. My very, very best wishes on your tour of duty. And I look forward to working with you on all areas of mutual interest. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.